So I just started recording. So, okay, so
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you, and we'll get started here. And hopefully it'll come up. I might have to start it over again. It's just a little slow today. So.
Okay.
Okay, so let's bring it up again. What do you see now? Probably something just, okay. Let's try it one more time. I pulled it up again, I reloaded it, and let's try it again here. Yeah, it might be just the connection.
Now I see the
Yeah, it's twirling. Okay, woohoo, we got it. Yay. Okay. All right, so I got a cool little gizmo. We'll see how it works, okay? All right, so we're just gonna go through the first problem together. So number 1. Okay, let's do, yeah, that would be okay. Okay, so we have x cubed
plus x squared minus 10x
Good.
plus 8.
Let's make this a little bit better here. Okay, x squared minus 10x and then plus 8. And then it says x minus 2 is a factor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means we have to find what x is. So I'm going to just set x minus 2 equal to 0. So x here is going to equal the number 2. Okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to set up our synthetic division here. So we're going to go like this. And then this will be 1, 1, negative 10, and 8. Okay, and then I'm going to leave a little space. And I'm going to bring the 1 down. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6.
6. And then
Negative 10
negative
plus
4.
6 is 4. And then this is 8.
It'd be negative 4.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Negative 4, and this is negative 8. Okay, so that's 0. Okay.
That should be 0. Then that's the remainder of 0.
Yep. And so, like, if I convert this back to a trinomial, this is going to be x squared plus 3x minus 4.
Minus 4,
and then we're going to factor this, Michael. So we get x and x. So the factors are 4, negative 4 are going to be negative 1 and 4, and then negative 2 and 2. Okay, so if we add these, we get a positive 3. And then if we add these, we get 0. Well, I want this one, right?
Yeah.
So inside, I'm going to have x minus 1 and then x plus 4. So it says, give a polynomial, okay, find the remaining factors. So this actually would be
The answer.
the answer. Yep.
Okay. So, all right, hold on.
Okay. Let's go through the example together, because that way you'll have another problem to refer to, because I don't want to do the whole assignment for you. So,
yeah.
Let's go ahead and go through the example that they gave you.
I think my biggest confusion, I guess, would be it's just, so with the last number without the x or without the variable next to it, you factor that, which obviously you get negative 1 and negative 1 and 4, and then you get negative 2 and 2, and then you add them.
Yep. Because we have to get this number right here. We got to get a positive 3. 3 is what we want. So.
Oh, isn't that from like the quadratic formula thing?
Yep, the quadratic formula. It's all tying
Okay.
everything together. Yep.
Okay, that makes more sense now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I mean, you could use the quadratic formula if you wanted to. If you forgot how to factor, let's just go ahead and set it up for your classmates. And it's probably good review for you. So let's say you forgot to factor, or you didn't remember it. So this is one method, of factoring this. So we have x squared plus 3x and then minus 4. Okay. So then,
okay.
do you remember the quadratic formula? X equals, what would come next here?
Isn't it like 2a on the bottom?
Yep. So it'll be 2 times 1 here.
So I don't remember what goes on the top
Okay.
though. Like what?
Yep. So we're going to have a -3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 3 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 3. So we'll
Okay.
just work that out. X equals a -3 plus or minus, and we're going to get 9 minus
4 times 3, 12.
4ac. 4ac. Whoops, I made a mistake, Michael. This is actually going to be a -4 here.
Oh, so
Yeah.
that'd be plus 16.
Yep, 9 plus 16.
Over
All
2.
over 2. Good job. And so we'll just work that out. This is going to be 25. Well, the square root of 25 is -3 plus or minus
5
5 all
over 2.
Yep. And then you just do the math. So -3 plus 5 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. And then you're going to do subtract and you get -4. But that's what x equals. So in order to find the factors, you'd have x equals 1. You have to set them equal to 0. So x minus 1 equals 0. So this is one of your factors. And then x equals a -4. You bring the 4 over. So
it'll be x plus 4.
Yeah, will
like
be.
We got over there.
Yeah, will be your other factor. So that'll work out. So you can do it both ways. It really doesn't matter. Whatever one you feel comfortable with. So. Okay, so let's look at, I'm just gonna erase this here. Let's look at the first example that they give us, and then I think you should be good to go. So.
Can I go through a problem and see if I did it right? You know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I'm gonna
put my camera on it.
I'm gonna grab a new board here because I ran out of room there.
Okay.
But yeah, go ahead. Tell me, which one did you just do?
I'm gonna do number 2,
okay,
which is.
That's fine. If we do number 2 together, it's totally fine. So. Okay. So number 2, x cubed
plus 4
minus 4x squared minus 11x plus 30.
So it'd be.
And then we have x. Go ahead.
It'd be x equals -4, which you'd put -4 in the synthetic division.
Oh, okay. But it says x plus 3 is your factor.
For number 2?
That's what I have.
Oh, I read the wrong one. Shoot.
Okay, we'll work through it together though. So I'm just gonna set this equal to 0. And so my factor is gonna, or my x value, this is the factor.
It's gonna be -3.
Yep, -3. So we're gonna go over here. We'll do -3. We'll put that in the box and then write down our coefficients.
So it'd be 1, -4, -11, and 30.
Yep, good job.
30, so it'd be
Okay, and then I bring down the 1, so I got -3,
10,
and then -7, 21, 10, -30.
-30,
Yep.
0.
Mhm. And I usually
Okay.
draw a box here so then I can distinguish what the trinomial is. Okay, you want to tell me what the trinomial will be?
It'd be 1x squared minus 7x plus 10.
Yep. And we're going to set it equal to, or actually we don't need to set it equal to 0. Okay, so what would you like to do? Do you want to try to factor it or do you want to use the quadratic formula?
Factor it. So it'd be 5 and, no, it'd be -5 and -2.
Yep, -5
Which is what we would
minus
use.
2 equals -7. Good. And so the two remaining factors will be x minus 5.
X minus 5 and then x minus 2.
Minus 2. Perfect. Yep, you got it.
Okay.
Okay, you think that's good?
Yeah, that should
All
be
right.
good.
I'll go ahead and share this with your students and then we can go from there. So
All right.